very amazingly beautiful today on the 5th of February 2024. It was completely impossible to get inside here.
Yeah.
It's on Sturenkatu on 26 they say. It was built by Graham Brothers. Completely original 1938. Emperor's this has to be the beginning of 1938 probably.
Yeah. Or mid, but not late because this building was completed in 1938.
Yeah. The inspection was the date should have been 2023. Unfortunately, it will be badly modernized. The date right now.
Yeah.
Vallila, Valgård, Helsinki, Sportshus, modernized Finland. Very beautiful panels.
Yeah. Is pitpaikkiväispytään meidän passilla. Even the gate is original here.
Oh yeah. Very beautiful. The machine is it original?
Yes.
It definitely is one of the best in Helsingfors.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, one of those that is going to be badly modernized.
Yeah, but probably not this year, but I don't know when.
No, is the best in Vallila or?
Not the best, but one of the best, of course.
Yeah.
The 1951 hissihuolto freight elevator is the one, but we have to film it later. But Alex has filmed it.
Oh, yeah. We have to get to.
Yeah. That's